A brief summary of the public welfare efforts of the Jharkhand government. Weekly issue Aapki Sarkar. CM Hemant Soren opened the treasury for Giridih and Dhanbad. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren on September 9 gave the gift of many schemes to the people of Giridih and Dhanbad districts under the program Aapki Yojana, Aapki Sarkar, Aapke Dwar. The CM inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 310 schemes worth rupees 465 crores for the development of Giridih and Dhanbad. During this, the CM also directly communicated with the people of Dhanbad through video conferencing. At the same time, he also highlighted the government's effort being made in the interest of the people of the state.
आज लोग अपना उम्र गिनता है कि किस दिन हम 50 साल का हो जाएंगे, मेरा पेंशन बन जाएगा। उसी तरीके मैया सम्मान योजना, आप बताइए, यहाँ महिलाएं हैं, कितना आप लोग का ब्लॉक का चक्कर लगाना पड़ा मैया योजना के लिए, कितना दलालों का चक्कर में जाना पड़ा मैया योजना के चक्कर में। कहीं आपको जाना नहीं पड़ा, बल्कि आपके पंचायत में, आपके गांव में आपसे दरखास्त लिख लिख कर करके आपके खाते में पैसा भेजा गया है।
Chief Minister flagged off 36 mobile veterinary hospital vehicles. While participating in the Divisional Cooperative Conference held on September 10th in Ranchi, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren on one hand assured to people insured animals to the farmers and livestock farmers of the state. On the other hand, he flagged off 36 mobile veterinary hospital vehicles. Through this, the livestock farmers of the state will get help in the treatment of their sick animals, which is a big relief for the farmers.
पशुपालन के क्षेत्र में अगर हम देखें, चाहे वो मछली पालन हो, चाहे वो दूध उत्पादन, गाय पालन की बात हो, चाहे मुर्गी पालन की बात हो, चाहे अन्य किसी पशुपालन की बात हो, हम लोगों ने निरंतर उसमें फोकस किया। लेकिन इसमें आपको, जिनको इसको अमल में लाना है, आपकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है।
CM gave the gift of schemes to the people of East Singhbhum. On September 10th itself, CM Hemant Soren participated in the Government at the Door program organized in Jamshedpur. During this, the CM provided the benefits of the scheme to the selected beneficiaries for various schemes as well as distributed assets among the beneficiaries. The government reached the doorstep of the people in Godda and Devghar. In order to make the government schemes reach the people, the Sarkar Aapke Dwar program was organized in Godda as well, in which Chief Minister Hemant Soren inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of various schemes. Along with this, the CM provided the benefits of various schemes to the beneficiaries and also distributed assets among the beneficiaries. Second story of the amount received by women under the Chief Minister Maiya Samman Yojana. In order to benefit the public from government schemes, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren participated in the Sarkar Aapke Dwar program organized in Bokaro district on September 13. During this, the CM inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 834 schemes under Bokaro and Ramgarh districts. The CM also sent the second installment of Samman amount to the accounts of beneficiary women under the Chief Minister Maiya Samman Yojana. Along with this, assets were also distributed among the beneficiaries of various schemes.
इस राज्य की 18 साल से 49 साल तक की महिलाओं को सम्मान राशि हम लोग एक मुख्यमंत्री मैया योजना हम लोगों ने शुरू किया है। पहला किस्त आप लोगों के खाते में जा चुका है और आज बोकारो की ये पवित्र धरती से मुख्यमंत्री मैया योजना का दूसरा किस्त हम लोग देना शुरू करने जा रहे हैं।